Yeah, here we are. Another snow event happening in Holland Cove. Now this morning when I woke up you could see right down and across the water, but not so anymore. This one here is supposed to have about 40 centimeters of snow in it. And we'll see what happens. Old Mr. Snowman there is getting, or Mr. Santa Claus there is getting kind of snowed in. Yeah, the storm is getting kind of heavier. My poor little old Blue Jay is blown over, but his wings are still working. I'll get out there later and get the tractor going. It's a bit blustery out front here, coming right in my face. Whoa! Yep, that'll be a snowstorm coming through. Yeah, the storm's starting to get pretty blustery out here. The house is starting to get drifted up on me. And I'll take the doggies for a little walk because they always like to have a walk. You can't even see in front of yourself where you're going anymore. Oh well. Now here's my usual trail going down to the beach or heading down the ways. But it's a blustery day in Holland Cove. I don't know if I'll get all the way down to the beach, but I'll head down the beach. Yeah, we were supposed to head out to a sort of a family function this morning, but we didn't go. And I'm glad we didn't go. It's a little bit yucky weather for going out in a car. Yeah, heading down the hill into the snowstorm. I don't know what I look like, but I think I'm getting covered with snow. We'll see what it's like at the beach. Yeah, I made it down to the beach here. There's the frog pond all drifted up and the snow is blustering through. And it's like a whiteout out there. I don't think I'd want to be traveling anywhere in a boat today. Yeah, there's the difference today makes is that all that I think I better head back up the hill while I still can. At least the wind's behind me now. Dogs, they don't care, they just get in my way. There's a little bit of shelter here. The wind's just blowing across there. There's about 6 or 10 centimeters of snow down so far, and it's only just started an hour or two ago. Yeah, so I walked down through here 5 minutes ago, or 10 minutes ago, and the snow's filled in all my footprints already again. You can hear it blowing through the trees up above here. The storm's just blowing across the open field out here. Today's the 90th birthday of Mildred Carr. She used to stay in this cottage. There's John and Lois. It looks like it's faring out pretty well. Yeah, it's a good thing Helen and Doug came out for the Christmas tree yesterday, because they wouldn't have a hope today. It's drifting all the way along here. Yeah, so the snow has changed now to ice pellets. It's got drifted up pretty good through here. I guess it needs a tractor to get that going. And the house is looking very Christmassy with all that snow around. I had to get a pile of wood in. The trail is looking fairly Christmassy. So I guess tomorrow is the day we're moving snow. Here we are. It's still stormy outside, but inside There's a nice toasty fire going in the fireplace. There you go.